When it starts getting cold here in Texas, I start thinking about catching flounder. And I mostly catch and release, all fish I catch, but catching a different species is still always a lot of fun just to see how different they act and, different ways to catch them and different places to catch them. Flounder are ambush predators, and you can tell this by the fact that they have that great camo on their back and they're really flat bodies. So the camo and the flat bodies allows them to lay on the bottom, and they just remain unseen by predators, but also their prey. So when their prey swims by, like a bait fish, the flounder can remain unseen until they're really close, and then they go and eat them. So where to get close to catch them? It's going to be places that funnel the bait fish somewhere where they have to swim. So a good place where it funnels the bait fish is going to be inlets and outlets to a body of water like a bay. Somewhere I've caught flounder before is an outlet to a bay, and it's the only outlet. So fish are going to have to swim in and out. And so that's where I'm going to be fishing. So the bait I'm using here is just a chartreuse gulp swimming mullet. I think it's the 4-inch version. And I just have it on a jig head. And this is just one of the most basic flounder catching baits. And a lot of people use it. That's just because it just flat out catches a lot of flounder. Come up here, just watch the end of my rod tip. There's a little bit of weight there, and I should know there's a fish there already, but it's been a while since I caught a flounder, and I honestly just thought it was some weeds. But I finally set the hook and wind up with a fish.
Yeesh.
So what I'm doing here on the retrieve is I'm just casting out, letting it hit the bottom, and just wait until it hits the bottom. Even give it a couple more seconds to make sure it's on the bottom. And then once it's on the bottom, I pop it up 3 or 4 times, small little pops, and then I let it get back down to the bottom.
Ooh. Some kind of parasite. That's crazy.
So again, just watch the end of my rod tip here. At first, on these first couple pops, you'll see it comes up really easily. Then the next one, it looks like there's a little bit of weight there. Now make sure, and then I just set the hook.
Wow.
Right here, I'm out of the strike zone already for catching a flounder. I don't think there's going to be flounder this close in. So I just start reeling my start reeling my bait in, and all of a sudden I get a bite. Let's see what it is.
What? More parasites. Whoa.
And flounder are pretty different in a lot of ways. Take two. Take two. The best place to find flounder that are, swimming. Oh, God.